Today I'm going to show you how to create this matte neon gradient gold dreamcatcher design. First I'm applying some Opulent Essences liquid nail tape to the area around my cuticles. This helps with the cleanup process. You need to let this dry before applying the gradient. I'm using China Glaze-Purple Panic. That's sure bright, and I see the point. I'm applying these to a makeup sponge and blending the colours in. You'll need to apply a few layers to your nails to get full opacity. Now I'm removing the liquid nail tape. It removes all the excess polish on my skin and makes cleanup easier. Here's the gradient ready for stamping. I'm using this Dreamcatcher plate BP194 from Pretty Store. I've put a link in the description box below. This plate has 5 Dreamcatcher images, 1 large and 4 small. I'm using Mundo de Unas-Gold stamping polish, and I'm stamping one of the smaller Dreamcatcher images on each nail. This image is transferred flawlessly, and I'm placing it so that it looks like it's hanging down from my nail. Now I'm stamping another image. Look how detailed this is. And I'm placing it again so it hangs down from my nail. The last image is this heart-shaped Dreamcatcher, and this is going to go onto my middle nail. Look how gorgeous that is. And here are all the stamped images. Now I'm top coating. First with a layer of regular top coat, and then when this is dry, a layer of matte top coat. This is because if you apply matte top coat directly to a stamped design, it can smudge the stamped image. I've no idea why, but it just does. Here's the finished design. I really hope you like this, as I'm pleased with how it turned out. The bright colours really make the gold stamping stand out. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more nail art tutorials and reviews.